They rang the bell in the middle of the night looking for a missing person.
We have cameras.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Should I press it again?
Can I help you?
I have a question.
Yeah.
My sister is missing. I was just wondering if I showed you a picture, if you'd be able to tell me if you've seen her. They said that she was next door living in the shed, and that's the last known place that they've seen her.
I wouldn't know nothing about that because I just got home myself, so.
Well, she would have been here within, it wouldn't have been anytime soon. She was missing for 2 weeks, so it wouldn't have been today.
Oh, I didn't hear nothing about that, so.
After not getting any information about her sister, she continued to ask about another man.
Do you know Taru?
Excuse me?
A man named Taru?
I never heard of him, miss.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. You have a good night. Good luck.
He had a problem with their cameras.
I wonder if you had a chance to talk about those cameras in the back, by the pool.
Who are you?
I'm your neighbor.
Okay.
I was wondering if we could discuss those cameras that are pointing towards our house.
They're not towards your house. They're towards my pool.
But we don't know that.
Well, I know that, and that's all that matters.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does.
I'm not, ma'am.
No,
I'm asking you.
What is your problem?
Well, because I have cameras too, okay? And I know the range. I know the range. And we have kids up there. And there's not supposed to be any cameras in the backyard. That's your safe place. You can have cameras in the front of your house.
You have a lot of nerve telling us where to have my cameras around my
Well, because they're pointing towards my house.
You know what? You shouldn't have moved in here with kids. How about that?
What do you mean?
You're in a 55 community.
It doesn't matter, ma'am. It does not matter, ma'am.
Did you forget?
It doesn't matter.
What kind of parent takes kids into a neighborhood like this?
What do you mean? It's not a safe neighborhood for kids? Is that what you're trying to say?
You're coming to me with your problem.
No, I'm coming because the cameras are pointing to my house that I have young kids.
You know what?
Why don't you have them on the other side pointing towards your house?
You have a lot of nerve coming here and tell me how to mount my cameras.
Yes, because they're pointing. I don't feel safe that you're pointing them towards my house.
Call the cops and see if it's illegal. I don't think so.
Ma'am.
No.
I'm trying to be friendly because we're neighbors, okay? I really am. I'm just asking if you can move them to the other side to point them to your pool, not towards my house. That's all I'm asking.
First of all, you don't even know what you're talking about.
I do know,
no,
man.
You don't.
The cameras.
Hello. Hey. Hello.
One's pointing it up.
Hello.
And one's pointing down.
Hello.
You got.
Hello.
You got. Sorry, we're not moving our cameras.
These are the cameras. They've always been pointed down. Clearly pointed down. Solar. They work great. The pop-up cameras. 2 of them. This one points directly at the pool. Again, you can just see.
Who's wrong here?
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I just want to know, what happened to the car that was out here?
It was towed.
Yeah, that's my sister's car. We took the kids to Disney World for a vacation.
Oh, nobody knew it was here for like...
Yeah, they can't park in front of our house because the other neighbors park in front of our house, so she parked up here because it's a public street.
Well, nobody knew,
yeah,
and
so
it was like an abandoned car.
It's not abandoned.
Well, nobody
It's because
knew.
it's public parking and we don't have to inform anyone. It's okay. It's $500. So if you want to help support that,
I don't have the money. We're retired.
Yeah.
We're not getting
okay.
it.
So then small claims court. We'll
Okay.
we'll serve you. We'll see you there.
Serve me? You could serve your mother, honey.
She was being followed.
You know Lacey?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
It's not my mom.
Lacey!
Huh?
This guy's following me, Lacey.
Who is he?
I don't know.
I don't know.
He's been following me since.
JR.
Boss, what up?
He's been following me
What up?
since was calling you.
Jayon, just come in the house. Call the police. He's in his car?
No, he's been following me since 60 seconds.
Call the police.
I tried not to get excited. I just kept coursing the street back and forth.
I didn't hear the phone.
I thought I was running. He was gonna grab me. So
What's going on here?
Hello?
Not creepy at all.
Hello? Hello? Hello, can I help you?
I've been sleeping one night. You home?
You what, sorry?
I've been sleeping one night. You home?
I don't understand what you're saying.
I've been sleeping one night. You home?
What's this? Have you got a food delivery?
Yeah.
Oh, if you just keep knocking the door, because I'm not actually home, my brother will be there. So if you just keep knocking.
I've been sleeping one night. You home?
You sleep in my home?
Yeah.
No, you cannot. Piss off.
Okay.
Go away.
Okay.
Sleep in my home. No, you're not.
Pray for him. How many times did he ring the bell?
Hello? Hey.
what's up?
Hey, can you call me a ride?
No, I can't get on the porch.
They had their food stolen. Watch what happens here. No excuse for this.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hi. Hello? Good night. Can I have some water, please? What? Some water. Can you give me some water? Some water. Can you give me some water or no? Huh? Pani. Can you give me some pani or no? Can you give me some pani or no?
I don't know you.
You don't know English?
I don't know.
Okay. I just don't need forgot none of that.
Can't even leave the seats outside.
POV, a random stranger came and stole my camera, but didn't know it was still recording.
How long will it take him to figure it out?